Hey guys, hi, hello, namaste, adab, sat sri akal, assalamu alaikum, vanakkam and khamba khani to all of you. Welcome to today's class, and as you all know, this is your Prodigy series for ICSE 10th and maths one shot video. So although the name is one shot, we are doing statistics in two parts, right? Because it's a lengthy topic and I wanted to teach it in such a way that it will be like covering the whole chapter for you nicely, right? So as you all know guys, in the last class we have finished with the mean, and there we saw the different ways of finding out the mean. So we saw three ways, right? Direct method, then there was the shortcut method or the assumed mean method, and then there is step deviation method. And I told you that all the methods, they give you the same result. The only thing is like it reduces the calculations, right? So today we'll be starting with the second half of this chapter. So in this class we'll be studying about medians, using ogives, then quartiles, right? And then we'll be going for the mode as well, using histogram. Alright, so this was the homework question which I gave you in the previous class. The contents of 100 match boxes were checked to determine the number of matches they contained. Calculate correct to one decimal place the mean of matches per box. Take a mean of matches, we need to find it out. And how many extra matches would have to be added to the total content of the 100 boxes to bring the mean up to exactly 39 matches, right? So beta, obviously देखो, you can go with any method. You can go with the direct method also, assumed mean method also, है ना? तो देखो, I'll just show you over here calculation because repeating that same thing. So 35, here we are using the direct method. All right, here we are using direct method. So x values are there, f values are there, multiply them and add all of them. This is your total sum. Your total frequency is 100, divide them, you are getting 38.13, right? This is your mean. Now next question was, determine how many extra matches would have to be added to the total content of 100 boxes. That means how many extra matches we need to add in this, okay, so that the mean will become exactly 39 matches. Right now you will see the mean is 38.13, right? 38.13. Total there are 100 boxes. Total 100 boxes. So number of boxes is 100. You want the mean to be 39, right? So I can say number of matches in each box has to be 39. Mean meet what? Average. So if mean is 39, I can say 39 if I want to create. Total number of boxes is say 100, right? So I'll tell over here ki sir ji, then total number of matches, okay, total number of match stakes, है ना? So matches should be how much? You'll say ki sir 100 boxes and each box should have 39, right? So 3900 total matches we should have. How many we have in actual? 3813. So how many we need to add more? So number of extra matches required. Extra matches required will be, by total 3900 it should be, but we have only 3813. Correct. So remaining how many guys? It will be 87. 87 extra matches you want so that the mean will be exactly 39. Right? Okay, beta. So 87 will be your answer over here. Okay, now I could not find anybody's answer in the comment section. So do let me know guys, if you are watching this video, whenever I give a homework question, do let me know what is the answer for the homework question in the comment section, and I'll show your name in the homework stars. Alright, chalo. So one more thing guys, before we move ahead, Vedantu's Got Talent is right now. Season 2 has already started. There are 6 different categories: dancing, innovative ideas, singing, open mic, musical instruments or production, and arts and crafts, right? So these 6 different categories you have. Registration has already started. The students have started sending their entries as well. 14th January onward it has started, right? So submit your entries as well. For the process how to submit your entries, just go to the link courses.vedantu.com/VGT. Go to this link, you'll get to know about the process for submitting your entries. Now here the prizes is for all the categories. In all the categories we'll have first, second and third categories, right? First prize, second prize, third prize. So first prize in each category will be laptop plus subscription, Vedantu subscription. Second prize will be a tablet plus Vedantu subscription. Third prize is headphone plus Vedantu subscription. And 4 to 10th rank holders, they'll be getting the prize of Vedantu merchandise, which will be bags or mugs. Alright, bachcho. ठीक है. So let us start our topic for today, statistics, and we'll be talking about median and mode of the grouped data. So median, beta, what is the meaning of median? So the meaning of median, like what is average? Mean is average, right? Average what we can find. Median is the middle value. Okay, to understand the meaning, just understand median is the middle value. All right. Median is what? Middle value, but remember, when the values are arranged in ascending order. Okay. Median is not the middle value for any random. It is not for raw data. Middle value, but not in the case of raw data. You have to find out the middle value when you arrange all those values in ascending order or descending order also. Anything, because median will be the middle value. You either arrange it in the ascending order or descending order, the middle value will remain same, right? So that is called your median. Now, as you have seen, learned in the previous grades as well, that median depends upon total number of observations. Total number of observations is how much? So let's say your total number of observations is, say, n. Now, if n is odd, you'll say the median will be what? Median will be n by 2, n plus 1 whole divided by 2th observation, right? And if n is even, in this case the median will be n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1th terms observation, their average. That will be your median. Okay, because if suppose 4 terms I have, so there is no term in the middle. If I have 3 terms, I can say this term is in the middle. But when I have 4 terms, I'll say these 2 are in the middle. So their average I'll take. Alright, take care. So that is your median. Up, we will be learning to find out median using ogives, right? So we'll be drawing the ogives and we'll be drawing the cumulative frequency curve for it. Mostly it will be for the less than type. All right, and then we'll be finding out the mean. So whenever we have to find out the mean, so beta यहाँ पे median, we have to find out the median. All right, so median में देखो step is, first thing we'll be making the cumulative frequency distribution table, and remember, whenever you make this graph, on x-axis you'll put your observations, on y-axis you'll put your frequency. Remember it. All right, then you'll be plotting all the points, whatever all the points, plot them, and then we'll find out the middle value. All right, I'll tell you, this will be more clear with the help of a diagram. All right, this will be more clear with the help of a diagram. All right, so let's do it. Okay, now first one, estimate the median for the given data by drawing an ogive. So first we need to draw an ogive. So when this class frequency frequency distribution table is given, how do you know that which points will you plot? How do you know which points you'll plot? So first thing, in median we don't use frequency, we use cumulative frequency. So let us start with cumulative frequency. First group, cumulative frequency will remain same. Then 4 plus 9, add it. 4 plus 9, what you're getting? 4 plus 9 is 13. Then 13 plus 15, you'll be getting 28. Then 28 plus 14, 42. And 42 plus 8, 50. So these are the cumulative frequency of all these groups. These are the cumulative frequency of all these groups. Okay, now we will draw the ogive. So let us say x and y axis will plot over here. Okay, now here on x-axis, which points we will be plotting, which points am I going to plot. So the points which we are going to be plotting will be, first take the upper class limit of a class. Upper class limit of this class is 10, and take the cumulative frequency, so 10 comma 4, right? Similarly, in the next one, 20 comma 13. So the next point which will be plotting will be 20 comma 13. Similarly, 30 comma 28, then 40 comma 42, and 50 comma 50. Now see, although here, like if we take the same scale, it would be good enough for us. But if suppose there is a possibility that you take a different scale on x-axis and a different scale on y-axis, right? So let us plot these values. I'll say so this is 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50, and 50, and same thing we'll do over here as well. 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. Okay. Right. So this is what I am doing over here. I'm drawing the graph. Okay. Now this is 0 over here. Okay, beta. So let's plot these points. Let's plot these points. What I have told, this is going to be classes will be on x-axis, cumulative frequency will be on y-axis. Okay, so 10 comma 4, 10 comma 4, x is 10, y axis 4. So just a rough diagram will be somewhere over here. Then 20 comma 13. So 20 is over here, 13 will be just above 10. So just above 10, I can say somewhere over here. What is happening? These points, yaar. Then 30 comma 28, 30 comma 28, just below 30. Let's say over here. 40 comma 30, 30, 30 was somewhere over here, no? Then 40 comma 42. So 40 comma 42 will be just above 40 over here, and 50 comma 50 will be over here. Okay. Now guys, see, the ogive should always start from the x-axis. So here you saw we are taking 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So in the same order, if I'll go before 10, here 20, here 30, here 40, here 50. So before 10 we should get 0. And since 0 will be taking x coordinate as 0, and since you know since that class does not exist, its frequency also will be 0. So the same order, I'll say my point will start from 0 comma 0. It is not necessary every time 0 comma 0. Just take the same gap like 50, 40, 30, 20 on x-axis. Suppose this ogive would have been started from say 20. So in this case, I'll say 10 comma 0, the previous point. Alright. Now what you'll do, you'll join all of them using a free hand, straight hand. This. Oh. Let us join them first. Okay, so these are all your points which I have joined it. You might see that here a little bit of gap you might see because I am just doing it. This is going to be a very rough one, okay, because not using any scale or something, but obviously if you do it on the graph paper you'll get the accurate results. So we have plotted the ogive, right? So this is the called our ogive. Now we need to find out the median. Ab dekho beta, if you'll see number of observations here are what? N is equal to 50, which is what? An even number. So generally see for the CBSE students, it's like ki, no matter what is the value of n, whether it is even or odd, we generally go for n by 2. We'll divide it by half because it doesn't matter that much. Median doesn't change a lot in 0.5 if the accuracy is not that much required. But if it is to be very accurate, and in your books also, everywhere in the solutions as well, they have gone for like how do we find out the median, that we find out the middle term and then take the median. So that same thing will be following over here. Since it is even number of terms, we'll say the middle term median should be what? Median should be 50 by 2 plus 50 by 2 plus 1. These two terms, their average, right? So you'll be getting what you are getting, guys, 25 plus 26 by 2. So you'll say be 25.5. So 25.5th term, 25.5th term will be your median. Now where you will be getting 25.5th? Where you'll get it? So they go here. This is 20. This is 25. So say around here 25.5 you have got. Okay, around here. Let's say you have got 25.5. Now from here, draw a line parallel to x-axis. Draw a line parallel to x-axis and let it meet to the ogive. Let it meet to the ogive. Wherever it is met, from there drop a perpendicular. From there drop a perpendicular over here. Wherever it is intersecting on x-axis, wherever it is intersecting on x-axis, this point, whatever it is going to be your median. Now for me, I think it should come less than 30, 28 something it should come, rough diagram. So in that range only what it is coming. Wow, there was such a good diagram I have made, right? So 28 around it is looking nice, right? 30 is say a little bit less than 30. So when you draw it on the graph, okay, you'll get your median to be 28. This point over here will be 28. Alright, and here you have taken it from 25.5. Now you must be thinking, sir, in graph, how do we know where is 25.5? Arey, there is one point of 25, one point of 26. Just draw a line in between that. Obviously, there is ought to be something like it will be a nearby answer. Okay, so don't worry too much about it. Alright, next one. Drawing an ogive, estimate the median for the following distribution table. So here, beta, same thing we'll be doing. Same thing we have to do over here as well. First thing, cumulative frequency. So I'll say this is 11 only. 11 plus 25 if I will be adding. What I'll be getting? 5 plus 1, 6, 36. Correct? Plus 12, 48. Plus 5, 53. Plus 2, 55. This is the cumulative frequency. Let us draw the graph. Let us draw the graph. So now what we'll say, they go on x-axis we'll be putting our this thing, upper class limit. So here 15, 20, 25, 30 and 35. So obviously I'll be starting from in between. So let's say I'll put a curve over here and let's say 15 is there. I'll start with 10. Okay, so I'll say here we have 10, then 15, then 20, then 25, 30, 35. So on x-axis I have taken the scale 1 centimeter equal to 5 units, and here I have to go till 55, right? So let's take a scale of 10. So here I'll say 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Is it too less? Chalo, theek hai, let me take a little bit the bigger one, little bit bigger. Oh, okay, it got erased, nothing can be done. I have to draw that. Now here let me take this thing 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, right, 45, 50 and 55. Okay, bachcho? Done. We have taken, now which points will be plotting? First point will be 15, 11. They go the points, write it separately. 15, 11, 20, 36, 25, 48. This is not 130 comma. Okay, 25 comma 48, 30 comma 53, and 35 comma 55. So first thing, 15 comma 11, 15 comma 11 will be somewhere over here. Then 20 comma 36, 20 comma 36, so 20 and 36, around 35 somewhere over here. Okay, this is 20 comma 36. Then 25 comma 12, this is not coming straight now. This is what it is. Like, you need to be, if you have a graph, then it is pretty easy, but since I'm doing it roughly, so it is taking some time. Okay, so let us say 20 comma 36. Okay, then 25 comma 48, 25 comma 48, all these 3 points are going to be very close to each other. 25 comma 48 over here, 25 comma 48, then 30 comma 53 will be just over here, and array, and 35 comma 55 will be, say, somewhere over here. All right. Okay, now join them with this thing, a straight line. So देखो, I have told you कि भाई it has to start from x-axis. So 35, 30, 25, this way 10 it will be, before 15 should be 10, and frequency keep it 0. Join 10 with this, then join it with this point over here, then join it over here, then join it over here, and then join it, say, somewhere over here. Okay, this is how the graph will look like, and we can put the points over here, 15 comma 11, then here we have got 25 comma 36, then I can say over here 25 comma 48, then we can say over here 30 comma 53, and then we can tell over here 35 comma 55. Right? ठीक है बेटा. Then what we need to find out here, number of n, what is n? N over here is 55. In this case, what I have told, median will be n plus 1 by 2. So 55 plus 1 whole divided by 2. 56 by 2 means 28th term. So 28 over here, if you locate where it should be, 28 will be just below 30. This point over here will be 28. So from here, draw a line parallel to x-axis wherever it is intersecting. From that, draw it over here downside. So you can see it is less than 20, so around 18 something it should come. Right? 18.4 it is coming. How nice it is. Okay? So that is what is going to be your median. Clear? I hope with this now you will not face any difficulty in drawing medians. I have shown you when the number of terms are odd. I have showed you when the number of terms are even, how to draw the ogives, everything in clear detail. Take the upper class limit and cumulative frequency as x comma y. Alright, whenever you take the point x comma y, what you will be plotting, remember x coordinate will be upper class limit, y coordinate will be cumulative frequency. Bas, that's what you need to take care of. One more thing guys, make sure this frequency distribution table, this frequency distribution, this there na. Alright, so in this table make sure there is a continuous grouped frequency. It should be continuous grouped frequency. It should be continuous grouped frequency table. That means here 15, so the next is starting from 15. This is ending from 20, next is starting from 20. Right? Upper class limit of a class interval is equal to the lower class limit of the next class interval. That should happen. If it is not continuous, first make it continuous. First make it continuous. This you have studied in the previous grades as well. First make it continuous and then draw the ogives. Then after that, same thing. Alright. So this is the one thing which you need to take care, and this is the other point. These 2 points you take care of it, and then everything is easy. Alright. ठीक है बच्चों. अच्छा, one more thing guys, यार, you can easily join Vedantu's Pro subscription courses. The best thing right now is Vedantu's EdFest is going on, and right now you are getting a very rare. This is like Harsh Priyam sir's code, I think. Okay, so I would say by here it is mentioned wrong. It is GPE Pro. All right. Okay, this is your code and apply, and you'll be getting 50% off up to rupees 2000 off. ठीक है बच्चा, चलो. Now I'll just show you once how you can do it. For example, you have come to this video. In the description box, avail all exciting Vedantu courses. Click on any of the link. Right here, you can click on change class 10th. You are selected, and then we'll select ICSE. Right. Once you have selected ICSE, guys, you can see after applying GPE Pro, you are getting 50% off on the prices for Pro Lite as well as Pro Classic. The next important thing is, see, try for 15 days. There also you have got 50% reduction. Earlier this was 1300, now it is just 650, and this was 1700, which is just 850. So if you wanted to try it always, this is the time, because now you can try, and once you're sure, and I'm definitely definitely sure about it that you like these courses, and then you can go for the whole course as well. The only difference between Pro Lite and Pro Classic is, guys, you get access to Vedantu's doubt solving app, where you can ask your doubts 24/7. Alright, if you want to just see how the notes look like and all, for example, this topic probability, click on get notes. If you want to just watch the notes, go through the notes, but click on the notes, and you'll be able to see the notes of that class. See over here in the teacher's own right hand writing as well. Then if you want to watch the whole replay again, right, you want to watch the replay, click on replay over here, and you'll be directed to the replay. This is the normal replay. If you click on try alternate replay, you'll be entered into the classroom setup, and there you will be able to say attend the quizzes and all. Okay, ठीक है बच्चों. So these are the features. Also, you are getting assignments, test series. You'll get everything. You'll get. You won't have to say worry about anything else. The next thing is Quartiles. Now Quartiles is like, suppose if you have a stick. I gave you a stick, right? I gave you a stick, and I told you, beta, ki this stick you need to divide in 4 equal parts. This stick needs to be divided in 4 equal parts. So to do that, how many points should I break it? So obviously this is a 3 points. If a stick has to be divided in 4 equal parts, you will require 3 points. You will require 3 points, 1/4, and then half in between, and then 3/4 way. Right? So these are your quartiles. That is your quartiles. These are your quartiles. Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q2 is obviously exactly in the middle of the whole data. So this is nothing but median. These are nothing but medians. Now remember the direct formulas there. If number of terms are odd, n plus 1 divided by 4 is the lower quartile, Q1. 3 times of n plus 1 by 4 is the upper quartile, Q3, when number of terms are odd. If number of terms is even, n by 4 is the lower quartile, 3n by 4 is the upper quartile. Okay? And the difference between the upper quartile and lower quartile is called interquartile range. Direct formula will be asked from over here. For example, the marks obtained by 19 students of a class are given below. Find median, lower quartile, upper quartile, and interquartile range. Now, the main mistake, the biggest mistake which students make over here, although knowing everything, is they will directly start doing the middle term. What is the middle term? Total 19 students now. So 19 plus 1, 10th term. 19 plus 1 is 20 by 2, 10th term. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 32, they'll write the answer without noticing that this is the raw form. This is the raw form of this data. We need to arrange it into ascending order, right? So if I start arranging it in the ascending order, I'll say I'll start with 22 done, 27 is there, 25, 26, 24 is there. So 24, 25, 26 we have 24, 25, 26, 26 we have, 27 is also there, 26 is 2 times, right? 23 is not there. So then we have 24, 25, 26 is 2 times. So 24, 25, 26 2 times, 27 only 1 time. Then 28 again is also 2 times, 28 is 2 times, 29, oh 27 was also 2 times as well, 27 is also 2 times. So I need to change a little bit over here. 27, 27, 28, 28. Then 29 is only once, 29, and after that 29 we have seen 31, 36, 33. So 31, 33, 36 we have, 31, 32, 33 we have, 36 also we have. 36 is 2 times, 35 is 2 times, 32 is over here. So 31, 32 is 2 times, 31 one time, then 32 2 times. So 32 2 times. So we have cancelled 31 and 32 also 2 times done. 33 is only once. 34 is not present. 35 is present twice. 36 is also present twice. 35 is present twice and 36 is also present twice. So 35 done, 36 done, and then we are left with 37. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. These are your 19 values which we have written. Now for this data, we can calculate the median. Can you see like how I crossed it so that I don't repeat any value again, right? So this is how you can do it. You can use this technique. Now let's find out with our, start with the first one. Median, since total number of observations are 19, I'll say median will be 19 plus 1 whole divided by 2. That means 20th by 2, or I'll say 10th term. Median will be the 10th term. Counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this is 10th term. So that will be 29. Second, lower quartile Q1. Lower quartile will be what, beta? N plus 1 by 4. So 19 plus 1 by 4, 20 by 4, fifth term. What is fifth term? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 26 is your fifth term. Next, upper quartile Q3. It will be 3 times of n plus 1 by 4. So which is going to be 3 times of 20 plus 1 by 4. So 15th term. So 10th term we know. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15th. 15th term is 35. And the fourth one, interquartile range, will be equal to Q3 minus Q1, which is 35 minus 26. 4 plus 5, 9. Interquartile range is 9. Done? Right? So these are the easy questions which have been asked. Right? Pretty easy. Alright. From the cumulative frequency table, find median, lower quartile, upper quartile. Now here this is already, it is told that it is a cumulative frequency table for you all. Okay. Now you have to find out the median. Okay. We have to find out the median over here and the lower quartile and the upper quartile. So total how many terms we have, beta? 80. 80 terms. N is equal to 80. तो बस it is even. उसके बाद में क्या करना है? खत्म करो क्वेश्चन को. ठीक है. तो अब यहाँ पे देखो मार्क्स लेस देन टाइप्स में it is written already. Cumulative frequency is given to you. Now अच्छा. As you don't know the formula, it is, I think this you need to do graphically. ये graphically करना पड़ेगा because you don't know the formula for the grouped one. ठीक है, you can draw the cumulative frequency distribution table and direct values are there. Plot them, you are getting something like this. So n by 2, when you do n by 2, 80 by 2, है ना? So to be more accurate over here, you can go for the average of n by 2 and n plus 1 by 2. To be very honest, in your ICSE books, what it is given is like they'll do the middle one over here, the median for that. What you will say ki n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1 terms average. Although it doesn't change much, even if I take 40th term or 40 plus 41 by 2, which is 40.5, you know it is a rough, like with your free hand you will draw it, so there is not much changes. Okay. So your 40.5th term, whatever it will be, that will be your median over here. Now, for lower quartile, beta, what is the formula? N plus, since it is even, so bus n by 4, 80 by 4, which means 20th term. So from 20, drop the perpendicular, and upper quartile will be 3n by 4, which is 60th term over here. Bas, done. Okay, so this you will be getting. Alright, since it is the cumulative frequency distribution table, now you don't know that. So this is how you'll be getting it. Okay, okay. One more thing, guys, I have told you, right? So the Vedantu Z Fest is going on, and yes, definitely take the benefit of as much as possible. It is only till 31st January. It has started on 24th, and only till 31st January this offer is going on. Okay. Now next is mode. So we understood mean is average, median is the middle value. Now what is mode? Mode is the highest occurring value, the value which appears most frequency in the data. So it is a point of maximum frequency. Okay. What is the modal class? The class interval in which the mode lies, that will be a modal class. Okay. Or the class interval which has the highest frequency, that will be your modal class. Okay. Now understand this thing, guys. The mode, to be very make you understand that why mode will be important. Suppose you are having a business of this thing, what do I call this, ready-made garments, jeans, t-shirts, all that. So now you want to see which you produce a different t-shirt. Now suppose Vedantu's t-shirt, you got the order to prepare Vedantu t-shirts, right? And now you want to see how much I should make, so that it will sell. By it's not like in all the sizes, print double XL 100, XL 100, large 100, medium 100, small also 100, extra small also 100. Because you know that in a particular group, say you have this idea that L or M that sells the most, and then XL in the other age group, say for teenagers age group, M sells the most. But as you go for the higher ages, people get obese, so they go for double XL shirts more over there. So you get the idea, right? So for that category, that which t-shirt should be produced, which size we should go for more, we'll just look at the mode which has the highest frequency. Okay, take that one, right? So from there, when we have to look at a data in such a way that what is the most occurring value, if that is most important to us, we'll go for mode. And when we are looking at a data in such a way that the middle value is important for us, we'll go for the median. And if average is important for us, we'll go for mean. Okay. Now we'll be understanding to find out the mode over here with the help of histogram. Histogram, all of you know how it is prepared, right? Then let me tell you how it is done. You will be able to understand. This is how you'll get the histogram. Your modal class will be the one with the highest frequency. Then what you'll do, you'll join the endpoints of that rectangle with the nearby corners. A join with this corner, this wherever the nearby rectangle is ending over here, join it with this, and B join it across with the previous one. Wherever it will intersect, plot it on x-axis. This point is going to be your mode. This point is going to be your mode. For example, over here, find the mode of the data using a histogram. So let me give you an example. So I have 0, then 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. And frequency I am saying is up to 20, up to 20 it is going. So I'll better go for 5, 10, 15 and 20. The first class is 0 to 10. The frequency is 5. So okay. Then 10 to 20 mein frequency is 12. 12 is a little bit more than 10. 20 to 30 the frequency is 20. Let it go till 20. Then 30 to 40 it is 9. 30 to 40 it is 9. 9 is say over here. And 40 to 50 it is 4, which is less than 5, just over here, let's say. Now this is going to be the modal class. So I know my mode is from between 20 to 30. Now join it with the ends, make an X. This joined with the point where it is touching. Okay, and here this joined with the point where it is touching. So see what I think, देखो, if both were at the same height na, it would have exactly met it between at 25. Now this is bit lower, this is going bit higher, right? So the line has gone up, has to be 24.5 something. Okay, 24.5 or 24, something like that. Or it is 24, it is coming, khatam, done. Right? So this is how you find out the mode. Same thing over here also. Marks are given. Make the histogram for it. So if you make the histogram, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90, 90 to 100. Modal class is over here. A joined with this point C, B joined with this point D. Intersection point, if you see, around 82. 82 coming. See, histogram is the easiest question, right? Just draw the mode. Finding mode is the easiest. Draw the histogram, take the modal class, make the text. Okay, ठीक है बच्चों. So with this we have finished this second session, and we have finished the whole session of statistics as well. This is your homework question I am giving you for your class, and do let me know what is the answer for this homework question in the comment section to be the star students. ठीक है? So I'll wait for your answer for the homework question in the comment section. Do let me know what is your answer. Alright guys, and yes, GPE Pro is your code to get 50% off up to rupees 2000. So right now you have seen the prices for the whole course has decreased, and also for the trial period also the prices have decreased a lot. So definitely go for it. Actually these are not the prices, these are prices for something else, but I have shown you the actual prices as well. Alright. So one batch has already started on 24 January, and it is very recent, so you can quickly join that batch as well. ठीक है बच्चों. So thank you so much guys for joining the session. I hope all of you enjoyed it. Those who have liked this video, thank you so much guys, and please don't forget to like this video before you go, share it with your friends, subscribe to this channel, and yes, do not forget to press the bell icon so that you get the notification, right? So thank you so much guys. I'll see you all in the next class. Till then, bye bye, sayonara, khuda hafiz to all of you. Bye bye guys.